This is a short video to show parents and students how to voice record. So I will push down the Windows key, the one that looks like a little window, and the letter H at the same time. And let me share my screen with you. Let's go here to open our window. Okay, so if I push down the Windows key and the letter H, you'll see a box pop up, and everything I say is now voice texted. I can also stop that and delete this and include my information I want to put in this particular unit study for the introduction to geography. So it might be something like this. The study of geography helps us understand the world around us. When we study land formations, bodies of water, countries, regions, climates, people, and animals in certain areas, we are studying geography, period. New paragraph. A cartographer is a map maker. Many people tried to make maps of the world, and it helped to increase our interest in different places. And then I turn that off and it stops recording. Just wanted to share how to do that. Again, you push down on the Windows key. I'm going to stop my screen share and I'm going to show you my keyboard. Right here is my Windows key. Oops. See if I can do this for you. Right there. And then the letter H together. And that pops up my voice recorder.